Hello, dear AI enthusiasts. What you're about to learn will completely change your view of the future job market. Because in this exclusive talk between Mark Zuckerberg and Satya Nadella, what many tech giants have been hiding has finally been spoken out loud. The AI revolution has already begun to dramatically reshape our working world. Satya Nadella revealed quite openly in this conversation that already 20 to 30% of the code in Microsoft projects is completely generated by AI. Acceptance rates are rising monotonically. This trend is unstoppable. The reality is even more astonishing than most of us imagine. While we're discussing how AI might change our jobs in the coming years, it's already happening right now, right before our eyes, in the largest tech companies in the world. Even more impressive, for code reviews, AI usage is even higher. Nadella emphasizes that the use of AI agents for code reviews has risen dramatically. The revolutionary aspect: AI can now analyze code written by other AI systems, which greatly improves quality and security. What used to be time-consuming work for developers is now being done more efficiently and thoroughly. Human developers can focus on more creative and strategic tasks. Zuckerberg goes even further and predicts that next year, probably half of development will be done by AI rather than humans. This explosive growth promises a productivity revolution that opens up completely new possibilities. Imagine, in less than a year, the speed of software development could double, leading to more innovations and faster solutions for complex problems. The real turning point comes when Zuckerberg straightforwardly describes his vision of the future workplace. He sees every engineer as a kind of tech lead, directing their own small army of engineering agents. Imagine this, a world where every developer becomes a conductor, orchestrating AI systems to create solutions that are unimaginable today. This statement is particularly revealing when you consider that Meta and Microsoft together employ hundreds of thousands of software developers. This transformation will not lead to a loss of jobs, but to an evolution of these positions. The role of the developer will be elevated, from code writer to strategic architect and AI conductor. The skills that will be in demand in the future are shifting from pure programming to creative problem solving, AI orchestration, and systems thinking. Nadella describes a breathtaking acceleration of AI development. Every 6 to 12 months, we experience a tenfold improvement in capabilities. And at the same time, prices are dropping dramatically. This efficiency increase means what is still complex and expensive today will be accessible and affordable for everyone tomorrow. The democratization of AI technology will open up completely new possibilities, not only for tech giants, but also for small businesses, startups, and even individuals. Unlike previous technological revolutions, which took decades to unfold, this AI revolution is happening in real time. Nadella compares it to the transition to electricity, which took 50 years before factories were completely redesigned. The AI revolution will compress this process to a few years, a historically unique opportunity in which we can all participate. Particularly insightful is Nadella's optimistic vision of the economic impacts. In his opinion, the world needs a new production factor that will enable us to deal with many of our global challenges. He poses the inspiring question: what would it take for the developed world to grow by 10%? For this growth, AI would have to bring massive productivity increases in every sector: healthcare, education, retail, and this transformation has already begun. Imagine a world where GDP grows by 10% annually. In the past, technological revolutions have always increased overall prosperity and created new professional fields that didn't exist before. While some jobs will disappear, many new ones will emerge. Professions that we can't even imagine today, just as no one in 1990 could foresee a social media manager or cloud architect. A fascinating part of the conversation revolves around how AI has already revolutionized the way of working at Microsoft. Nadella describes how his own workflow for preparing for customer meetings hadn't changed since 1992, until now. Previously, someone would write a report that came via email and he would read it the evening before. Now he simply goes to Researcher and Copilot and receives an intelligent summary of all relevant information in real time. This efficiency increase means that we can free ourselves from repetitive tasks and use our human intelligence for truly important decisions. Zuckerberg and Nadella talk enthusiastically about their Distillation Factory, a technology that compresses the intelligence of large models into smaller, more efficient versions. This groundbreaking innovation will democratize AI and enable every company to create customized AI agents. You can use 90% or 95% of the intelligence of a model that's 20 times larger in a much more efficient format, explains Zuckerberg. The implications are revolutionary. Soon, every company, regardless of its size, will have access to advanced AI, This is the true game changer. Until now, AI development has been limited to a small elite of specialists. With the Distillation Factory, this barrier will fall. Every company will be able to create its own AI systems tailored to its specific needs. This democratization will trigger an explosive increase in innovations in all industries, from healthcare to agriculture, from education to transportation. What this talk between two of the most powerful tech CEOs in the world reveals is nothing less than a complete redesign of the working world. The message is clear. We are on the threshold of a new era of human productivity and creativity. The AI revolution has already begun, and it offers incredible opportunities for everyone who is willing to adapt and learn. Particularly inspiring is that this massive change isn't happening overnight. We have the opportunity now to prepare ourselves and develop our skills. The jobs of the future won't disappear, but will transform toward more creativity, empathy, strategic thinking, and AI orchestration. All these qualities in which we humans naturally excel. What does this mean for you? If you work in the tech field or aspire to a career in this area, you have the unique opportunity to be part of this historic transformation. The time is now to expand your skills and learn how to collaborate with AI to solve problems that previously seemed unsolvable. How are you preparing for this exciting future? Write it in the comments. If you like this video, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you activate the bell, you'll even be informed when we upload a new video. I hope to see you next time. Until then, stay real.